Hell, it's the neighborhood art installation powered by the sun. John Bartell here, making a little pit stop in Echo Park, checking out Randyland.
Glowing on top of a hill above Los Angeles is a kaleidoscope of color that changes throughout the day.
The basic element is not a brushstroke, it's not a mosaic tile, it's a pair of living skies.
This enthusiastic character is Randlett King Lawrence.
Like a little Randy, Randlett.
At first glance, Randlett's art looks like a bunch of colorful glass bottles, and it kinda is, but according to him, it's much more.
Okay, what we have behind us here is the Phantasma Gloria, and the Phantasma Gloria is a vast array of teardrop-shaped double lenses that are the basic element in this mind-blowing medium that I've stumbled upon.
Randlett started his Phantasma Gloria in the year 2000 after seeing sun shining through a glass bottle. On a closer inspection, he noticed how the bottle distorted images.
The reason you can see me upside down in it, and I can see you, is because this is a convex lens.
Randy discovered that teardrop bottles create a variety of optical illusions when the sun hits them, so he built a metal frame in his front yard and created a sky mosaic for the community of Echo Park.
This is a temple to the sun.
Randlett also uses shadows to create art. When visitors come, he uses plastic cutouts to cast silhouette masks on their faces or images on walls.
This is a shadow caster.
Randyland is constantly changing or adding displays, and it's becoming a popular place for aspiring artists to get inspiration or just take some really cool Instagram pictures.
Everybody, the motto of Randyland is everybody's Randy in Randyland. In the sense of a lust for life.
From Randyland in Echo Park, I'm John Bartell. Hope to see you on the Backroads.